For every time we come on the land, we carry on our work because they have demolished their houses. We take siege of the land. For every time we come to do work, they will come with tongues and then they will try to harass or do intimidation and other things.
Who in particular did the squatters lease the land to?
The squatters lease the land to one Ansu Bashiru. And Ansu Bashiru is the one who is causing chaos in our community, in our township. He's a land agent for the Lebanese guys. Okay. They call him Ansu Bashiru.
Have you informed the Liberia National Police?
The Liberia National Police know. 102 no, because the matter have reached before 102. Yeah. So Ansu Bashiru carried certain paper to 102 which were issued January. Okay. So the other paper was issued in June. Ansu Bashiru, the one carried the June paper, but he carried the January paper. He carried on illegal eviction on our property. When we went to 102, we explained to 102. We told 102 said this is the current paper for the court. And 102 saw it, 102 said, oh, but I didn't see the paper for Ansu Bashiru. But if this is the paper, then I will back off. And since then, Ansu Bashiru have been using different level or different methodology to intimidate us on our own property.
Okay, so my name is Marama Jalo and I report for the KFM. But we are seeing a lot of this about it.
So they are all concerned citizens, majority. I can say every one of them, they are citizens of King Grey, and they know the historicity of King Grey. They know how the whole land issue in King Grey is led. So when they saw the people coming out against the leadership, that's how they came into the matter.
How long did they have been in dispute for?
They have been in dispute for January up to now. They're 8 months now.
Let's go into the court documents. Can you give an update from the court? What are some of the penny steps that will be taken by the community and the court?
So if I will read the last time we went to the court, they said the plaintiff who has come to court because someone is occupying the property is now required to proceed further to the upper court for injectment. And the plaintiff is them because they were the one that carried our complaint. We were the defendant. Okay. Then furthermore to page 4 of this paper, they came to carry on illegal eviction. And the illegal eviction because the judge at the time was misled. So this is what the phrase say, the court ruling on the motion to dismiss. A decision was made in this matter, finding the defendant liable on default judgment. Okay. The judge said he carried a default judgment because the plaintiff gave him misinformation regarding the property. So because of this, the matter is above him. The plaintiff should take the matter to civil law court. If I will further read, after which a writ of possession was issued to the plaintiff, and the same was enforced thereafter, the defendant proceeded to civil law court as Central Judicial Court before His Honor Nelson Senate. He was the one that presided over the matter. Further, he said a part of the portion or a court in petitioner before Judge Senate said the predecessor Judge Bremer Konto has cited this judge to summary proceeding. Judge Sega, summary proceeding, and upon the judge failure to appear, Judge Konto issued a mandate to Maestro Sega. The matter on Maestro Sega. To stay the proceeding appear before the judge Bremer Konto for a hearing. After that, when the court issued the bill of information, Maestro Sega said his return was missing. So our lawyer told Maestro Sega that it was not in his purview to protect his own how to go, you hear me? Return. To protect his own return. The court is a court of document. So every document that you sign onto, it should be kept in the court So all documents should be kept in the court. For mistakenly, we didn't know what went on. The document was to do so. Judge Senna told Sega say go back and take siege of the matter. Take over the matter. So the petitioner alleged that respondent Maestro Sega did receive sales citation for conference signed for the same, but the Maestro Sega ignored his citation and issued a stay order against the defendant, who is us. Said thereafter, Judge Konto ordered and order lifting the unlawful stop order issued by Maestro Sega, ignored. So but render a default judgment. Maestro Sega told us in this paper that everything that he did here, it was illegal. It was default judgment against us. And order the defendant ostated, and he took off from our we had a shop here. That one is a case pending. It's a case pending because they brought police and they broke that place before our consent. And the man was doing business there. Listen from us, he was doing business, and then I met her money all in that shop. So there's a pending case for that. So after they did that, we went back to the court. We went back to the court. Judge Sega said, since this is the matter, I will turn the matter over to my subordinate judge, which is Judge Gavin. So Judge Gavin did not follow court proceeding, but he called for conference. In the conference, we came out to Judge Gavin said that, Judge Gavin, we will not compromise this issue because we have received too much disgrace, as you can see today. They're going on air telling us that we intimidating, they're taking their land 84 and misleading. So we told Judge Gavin that we can't compromise the issue. We can take the matter to be a conference matter because the matter is before your court, and their court, the judge said you should end this matter. But you calling the matter for conference, so we ought to compromise it. We're going back and do what the people here say. So for now, we came to take possession to weapon our property, and as you can see, they have put tongues together and they're disturbing or breaking down our materials. Since the issuance of this paper, they started working, they didn't know the court, they started working. As you can see, they are still standing up. We haven't all rooted one of the steel, we haven't all rooted it. They are right, step back in water, they are still step back in water. We haven't taken any. But we brought our blocks, they're breaking our blocks, we lay our wall, they break down our wall. So we want for the media to look at it as if to say the people of King Gray, they are taking people land by force. It is false and misleading. Even if you will say, if this property belongs to you and you got D for it, who is an adjacent property owner? Who are you adjacent with? Where's the cornerstone you see here? Bring that, go to the legal aspect so you can bring your document. We bring our document. If the matter is for you, it's for you. If it is for us, it's for us. But no one own land in King Gray. The administrators and the people of King Gray own the land. If you want to lease, you do the needful. If you don't want to do the needful, we can take each of our property. And that's what's happening.
Now, let's look at the next action by residents of this community. Like we saw the team residents here were putting up to your guys not to, join of them or maybe get into a fight. Are you in any way approaching the court again? We approaching the court again?
It makes 100% sense. It makes 100% sense, and I will take in their advice because violent don't reply violent. So I'm a law-abiding citizen. Since they are inviolent and ignoring the court, it will be better that we use the court again to do the needful. So violent don't reply violent. I accept what my citizens say.
If the court delays,
somehow, I'm a functional journalist.
Okay.
To be honest, I'm disappointed in the police. More than 8 base commander. 8 base commander. Okay. I'm totally disappointed in him. I'm calling on the government or whoever is responsible that appointed him here to change his location or his appointment. He has special kind of interest in these people. The last time we put a building, plenty of payroll. We came here, we said the case is in court and we were putting in possession. So he had no right to come on the land to come and pay. While we were here, they called him. He came here and we show you all of his documents. All of his documents here, he has copies. He has his own copy. He saw his document and he called Central to intimidate us. Said the poor on Central car, they carry all of the country, all of us, they carry off from here. Why he left the people ground working? Similar tension like this. He left the people ground working. He protected them, he was just guarding them while we were up there. So we were bringing all carrying all the Central. When we presented the document to 102, there's a place upon that 102. I didn't see the document. If I want to see the document, I'm going to send police there, but I go back. I will call the Ansu who brought complaint to bring the present document. Since then, he came out the next day, we went there, we went back to his office. Ansu did not go there. Based upon that, we went back, the court, all in possession again, they went back to the court, the court all in possession again, they got all these documents, there was a stop order. They saw order refabricated yesterday. Based upon the refabrication, the stop order, I will give a work. We got all these documents. And if we're still involved with the Taji and the deputy that went to the police station morning, we refused twice, they went there. We went back to the court. The court is saying we should come to do our work. Why do our work? People come here, breaking teeth, and we don't want to be violent. It's their land, like you said. Previously, the land is for the township, it's a traditional place. No one owns land. Personally, here is the elders and the administrator that preside over land and handle land matters. Even when you want to lease or even you want to build a kitchen in the township, as any other citizen, you want to build a kitchen, you go to the township office and ask for permission. And they will give you the green light before you can build a kitchen to wherever you occupy. No one has right to just do anything on their own. People live there, in fact, they face a document within the township that say the guy won't say Tony Bobo estate within our estate. Within the King Gray estate, they say the guy will say Tony Bobo estate, which is very illegal and everybody against the act. And they are total defiance. If we add 50 of citizens here that live here, they will tell you the article is 100% wrong. But we as a leadership, we don't want to be violent. That's why you see all of this thing going on. So if the government doesn't come in, like the police are already doing for, they say they cannot protect us,
don't be scared of speaking out, Alfonso.
The devil is compromised. Well, you whatever means we can use. We are not using any means because we don't want to be putting on the camera while you guys are here to be on it. I will say it. But if you leave and we know that this is continue going on, shut up. We all want him back. So far, so good. Thank you.
Who is the commissioner for this place?
So, Oliver Wombeike, Soon 8.
But who's the commissioner for the township?
No, we have town chief. No, we honor this is a municipal place. Pinsville town, Pinsville city. We honor Pinsville city, so we can have township in Pinsville city. So we are town. We are town, and I am the town chief. Township for
Township for
King Green.
King Green.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.